How to fix TikTok account is currently suspended. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen again. Then select settings and privacy over here and scroll down to the very end to find the option of report a problem. So tap on report a problem. Now as you do that, you'll be given different options over here. Now what you can simply do is tap on the search bar over here and search for the suspended account over here. As you do that, you can see different options. So you can just tap on any of these options over here. And you can check if your account has been suspended by tapping on this option over here. Now, after checking your suspended account, you can just go back and tap on see more and then select on what if my account has been suspended. Then here you can see this box of is your problem solved? So just tap on no. And as you do that, you can just go back and then tap on the report option again, or you can rather chat with them directly via TikTok help desk and just start your messages and chat with them that your account has been suspended. Please help me recover it. So you can just do this and TikTok help desk will give you necessary solutions to help you recover your account. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.